Welcome to this new video on email marketing for 2024. In 2019, a well-known fashion boutique utilized targeted email marketing to drive sales and engagement. So what was their approach? They sorted customers by purchase history and preferences, post which they tailored emails with product recommendations and discount. They believed A/B testing may prove great for their business, thus A/B tested subject lines for effectiveness, implemented workflows for abandoned carts and follow-ups, and monitored metrics to optimize campaigns. As a result, they observed 40% increase in email open rates, 35% boost in click-through rates, 25% rise in conversion rates, 20% increase in sales revenue, thereby achieving significant sales growth and improved engagement through targeted email marketing. Now you must be curious to know more about email marketing. Let's understand what is email marketing. But before we move ahead, to know in detail about email marketing, if you are the one who is looking to get certified in 2024, then you are at the right place. Introducing Purdue Postgraduate Program in Digital Marketing, which will be your all-over companion. With this program, you will not only ace in email marketing, but also keyword research, search engine optimization, behavioral marketing, campaign management, social media marketing, content marketing, and much more. With this technical expertise, you will also gain complete hands-on learning with the tools like Google Keyword Planner, ChatGPT, Google Ads, Google Analytics, and there are more than 30 tools in the list. Reserve your seats fast. Enroll now from the link in the description box and pin comment. So let's start by understanding what is email marketing. At its core, email marketing is the art of leveraging email communication to connect with the targeted audience and achieving marketing goals. Whether it's promoting products, sharing valuable content, or nurturing customer relationships, email marketing offers a direct and personal channel for businesses to engage with their audience. By building and managing an email list, crafting relevant and engaging content, and analyzing data to refine strategies, business can drive conversion, boost brand awareness, and foster long-term customer loyalty. With its versatility and effectiveness, email marketing remains a cornerstone of digital marketing strategies, providing businesses with a powerful tool to reach their audience in an increasingly crowded online landscape. Email marketers are always high in demand and may grab a high-paying career. An email marketing manager may earn up to 16 lakh rupees per annum. Email marketing is the need for all businesses trying to get hold online. Some big giants hiring for email marketers include Amazon, HubSpot, Salesforce, Shopify, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So let's understand benefits of email marketing for business growth. Here are some benefits of email marketing when you consider choosing it for business growth. Improving sales. Email marketing enables businesses to promote products or services directly to their audience, driving sales through targeted offers, promotions, and exclusive deals derived right to their inbox. Increase leads. By offering valuable contents or incentives in exchange of email sign-ups, businesses can effectively grow their email list, nurturing leads and converting them into customers over time through strategic email campaigns. Communicate with audience. Email marketing provides a direct and personalized channel for businesses to communicate with their audience, keeping them informed about new products, company updates, or upcoming events. Generates web traffic. Through compelling email content and strategically placed call to actions, businesses can drive traffic to their websites, blog posts, or landing pages, increasing engagement and conversions. Targeting the right audience. With advanced segmentation and targeting capabilities, businesses can ensure that their email messages reach to the most relevant audience segment. Targeting the right audience. With advanced segmentation and targeting capabilities, businesses can ensure that their email messages reach to the most relevant audience segments at the optimal time, maximizing the chances of engagement and conversion. Produce cost-effective campaigns. Compared to traditional marketing channels, email marketing offers a high return of investment with relatively low cost, allowing businesses to create and execute effective campaigns without breaking the bank. Owning media and contact list. Unlike social media platforms or advertising networks, businesses have full control over the email marketing assets, including their contact list and content distribution, providing greater autonomy and flexibility. Increasing brand awareness. Consistent and engaging email communication helps businesses to reinforce their brand identity and messaging, increasing awareness among their audience and fostering brand recognition over the time. Creating personalized content. Email marketing allows businesses to tailor their messages and content based on their preferences, behaviors, and interests of individual subscribers, delivering a personalized experience that resonates with recipient and drives engagement. Collecting feedback and surveys. Email marketing provides a valuable platform for businesses to gather feedback from their audience through surveys, polls, or feedback forms, enabling them to gain insights, improve products or services, and enhance customer satisfaction. So let's start by knowing top email marketing strategies for 2024. On number 1 we have is personalized email content. Personalized email content in subject lines and body content. Instead of generic subject lines, personalize them based on subscriber preference or behavior. Use dynamic content to tailor the email body to each recipient's interest or past interactions with your brand. Next is audience segmentation. Segment your email list based on demographics, purchase history, engagement level, or any other relevant criteria. Create targeted campaigns for each segment, delivering content and offers that resonate with their specific needs and preferences. Automate email campaigns. Set up an automated email sequence triggered by subscriber actions or milestones such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or post-purchase follow-ups. Use email automation tools to streamline the process and ensure timely delivery of relevant messages. Track important email metrics. Monitor key email metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated. Use email analytic tools to gain insights into subscriber behavior and campaign performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your email strategy accordingly. Send emails strategically. Determine the optimal timing and frequency for sending emails based on your audience preferences and behaviors. Experiment with different send times and days of week to identify the most effective sending schedules for your target audience. A/B test. Test different elements on your email campaign such as subject lines, CTAs, or email copy to determine what resonates best with your audience. Split your email list into random segments and send variations of your campaigns to each engagement. Then analyze the result to identify the winning variation. Last but not the least, leverage seasonality. Tailor your email content and promotions to align with seasonal events, holidays, or trends relevant to your audience. Incorporate seasonal themes, imagery, and offers to make your email timely and engaging, driving increased engagement and conversions. By implementing these strategies, you can create more personalized, targeted, and effective email campaigns that resonate with your audience and drive better results for your business. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to Simplilearn
in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.